In this video, I'm going to be going over how to add Facebook page in WordPress website step by step. Adding Facebook page in your WordPress website is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your Facebook page added to your WordPress website. Let's get started. To start, I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Plugins tab in the left side menu. Click Add New Plugin. In the search field, type in Easy Social Like Box. You'll see the Easy Social Like Box plugin showing here. Click the Install Now button to install the plugin. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is activated, you'll be taken to the Facebook Like Options page. You can also get to this page by hovering over Settings in the left side menu and clicking FB Like Box. You'll see the title here. Put in a title you'd like to have. I'll put Like Us on Facebook. You'll see the Facebook page URL. Input the Facebook page URL you want to add to your WordPress website. To find your Facebook page URL, just go to your Facebook page, and in the top search address bar, you will see it and you can copy it here. I'll go back to the previous page and I'll paste in my Facebook page URL. You'll see over to the right, it'll show a preview of the Facebook page we are customizing. You can change the border color if you'd like. Where you see the height and width, you can change the size of it. I'll put in 350 for the height and 350 for the width. Where you see Show Faces, you can choose to have this as yes or no. I'll keep it to yes. You'll see tabs. You can select any that you want. This will show tabs for your timeline, events, messages, and videos. I'm going to select each one. Next, you'll see header image. You can choose to show or not show your Facebook cover image. Where you see small header, you can choose to show or not show a small header. I'm going to keep it selected as no. Where you see language, you can choose the language. When done, click the Save button. Scroll down to the Facebook Post Like options. You can select to have or not have the like button for post. I'll select yes. You can choose where the like button is shown. Layout is where you can change the layout. I'll keep mine on standard. Where you see Show Faces, you can choose to show faces or not. Where you see Verb to display, you can change this if you'd like. I'll keep mine on like. Click the Save button when you are done. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see the shortcode here. Copy the shortcode. Now let's add the Facebook page to our WordPress website. I'll start with adding this to a sidebar like on blog post. Hover over Appearance in the left side menu. Click Widgets. You'll see your widgets for your site being listed here. Find the sidebar you want to add it to. I'll add mine to the sidebar here. Go to where you want to add it in the sidebar. Click the plus icon. I'll type in HTML in the search field. Click Custom HTML. Next, paste in the shortcode that we copied. If you need to move it to somewhere else in the sidebar, just click the arrow and you can move it down or up. Next, click the Update button. I'll now pull up a post on my site so we can preview the Facebook page showing. I'll click Post in the left side menu. I'll click View under a post to view the posts. You'll now see the Facebook page showing in the sidebar. If you want to add the Facebook page to a page or post in WordPress, all you have to do is go to the editor for the page or post. The steps are the same whether it's a post or page. From the WordPress dashboard, hover over Post or Pages. I'll click Pages. Click Edit underneath the page you want to add the Facebook page to. On the page editor, go to where you want to add the Facebook page. Click the plus icon. In the search field, type in HTML. Click Custom HTML. Paste in the shortcode we copied from before. Click the Save button. Next, click the View Page icon. You'll see the Facebook page is now added to the page. That is how to add Facebook page in WordPress website. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.